Hello and welcome to this channel. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about how to install pip in our system. In the previous video we have discussed about how to install ByPython, which is one of the module for Python. So today we are going to discuss about how to install pip. So let's get started. So first of all, I have to download pip. So how to install pip in Windows 10. So it will give me result of this. So just click on this. So here you can see pip is a package management system used to install and manage software packages written in Python. Let's scroll it and here. So here you will get a file. So just open it in a new window. So it's a big file, so we just need to save this file. So click on save as and just install it here on the desktop. So I have already installed GitPip, so I'm just gonna run this file. So I have this GitPip, so it's now easy to install. So just double click on it. Here you can see it will install everything for pip. So you can see here. So I have already installed pip in my system, so it will give me a warning. So because I have already installed the pip in my system. So how to check either pip is installed or not? So just go here and just type cmd and run as administrator. And next step you have to do is to go there and write Python. Here open file location. So here again open file location. So here you will see a script file. Just open it, and all we need is to just copy this path. So now I have copied it. So here in my command prompt I will just type cd change directory and just paste my path. So just enter. So here you can see either your pip is installed or not. So just write pip. Here you can see everything about pip. So it means pip is now successfully installed in our system. So now you can easily install different packages of Python to pip. So this is for today. So thank you for watching.